So typically kids have some time in the mornings where they can choose what they want to do, and bringing in these new elements really like refreshed and livened those times when kids get to choose, and it gave them more choice. Once they got into these activities like working with our microscopes or woodworking, they were really great creative activities and activities that required them to collaborate with one another, just use different parts of their brain and their skills than they use, you know, riding horses or going for a hike. This creation and development of a STEM and nature lab in the camp setting is a really cool way to hit all those points for kids. Not only do they get to come to camp and have a lot of fun, but they're also developing critical skills that they're not getting as much exposure to. Camp needs to evolve with the needs of today's kids, right? And today's kids spend a lot more time on screens, a lot more time isolated. So having these activities available for them that require collaboration, critical thinking, problem solving, right? Engineering, creative arts is all more important now than it has been in the past. I think moving forward, what it's done is set the foundation for us to turn Rood Lodge, which is our oldest building on camp, into a nature and STEM lab, and get to use it in a really creative way and hopefully bring in some more of that kind of stuff that's allowing kids to practice engineering and building and being creative and interacting with nature in a different way that we haven't seen in the classic camp setting yet, really.